Okay? There's only 2 rules for this activity. Rule number 1, you just got to be honest. All right, you just got to tell your truth. That's all we're talking about here today. And rule number 2, I'm going to ask you to stand and remain standing only if you can answer yes. So only if you can answer yes to any following questions I ask. All right? And I'll do it with you so you're not alone, but don't be lying. All right? Be honest with us. Okay, here we go. Please stand and remain standing if you've ever struggled with the fear of failure or being seen as weak by your friends. Stand up if you've ever struggled with that before. Oh, we got some truth tellers here. That's what I like to see. All right, stay standing. Stay standing. There we go. All right, next question. Anyone still seated down? I know there's a few people maybe still seated down. Next question. We're going to go a little bit deeper. We're going to take that mask off a little bit further. It's going to take a little bit more courage. Please stand and raise your right hand if you've ever struggled with some sort of mental health issue before. Maybe you felt that darkness of depression before. Maybe you felt that anxiety where it's overwhelming and it feels like it won't go away. Maybe you've just dealt with something else hard in your life. Hold them up. Let me see them. Come on. Takes courage. Hold them up. Now keep that right hand up and raise that left hand if you feel sometimes like you do wear a mask, like you do hold things back, like you are worried about what other people think. All right, you put your hands down, but stay standing. Look around, my friends. Everybody standing right now has struggled with something behind the mask. Everybody standing right now has dealt with some of those pressures. And I love this moment in this activity because it's a moment to just pause and say, hey, if you're a student here and maybe you felt alone in some of these pressures, maybe you felt like you're the only one who deals with this junk, I want you to look around. Because this is what happens when people tell their truth. We all start to really see that we all have more in common than we think. Now you can have a seat. Thank you for standing up. I appreciate you.